So my name's Ed Tapley. I'm ecosystem lead over at Podium Australia. Podium is a customer communications tool powered by AI that's going to help you attract more leads, convert more leads, and retain more of your well-earned customers. We've been working in the Simpro ecosystem for about 4 years now. This integration is going to help you right from those early stages of the customer journey in converting more quotes to even chasing invoices that are coming overdue and keeping customers informed that whole journey all the way through. The Podium Simpro integration, the great thing is that the key data that you need when you're working in either system is available at your fingertips, and that app switching experience is nice and seamless as well. So it's a great solution if you're wanting to really augment your customer communications and really build scalability into your processes right across the whole customer journey. Working with Simpro as a partner, well, it's been great. I've been lucky enough to have a bunch of engagement across the organisation. It has really set the tone for what this whole partnership has been able to become. You know, we're now have a very significant number of shared customers, a huge number of really happy customers, and there is nothing more rewarding than, you know, helping family-owned local business scale up and you know, achieve things that they thought, you know, maybe weren't possible. But, you know, it's all been made possible by having supportive folks on the Simpro side that have enabled us to, you know, spread the message of what our solution can add on to what they're doing with Simpro already. They've been a super collaborative bunch to work with. If I was a software feature, I would be SMS. I mean, being Podium, it's one of the core functions of our platform, so I'd be amiss to say I was anything but.